Okay, again, I'm going to show how you could use a QR code to support this activity. So I would have students go to QR stuff. Along the left-hand side, you will see there is a button for plain text. So if you click here, and then I would encourage the students. Normally we do worksheet activity about the beginning, the middle, and the end of Lacey Walker, the Nonstop Talker. And if this was your first experience doing this, I'd probably have the students fill that out on the paper first, so that they have some solid thoughts. It will also help them to be able to spell beginning, middle, and end if you have that on your paper. So, and then I would encourage them to type in Lacey Walker, the Nonstop Talker. And again, if you have this on their sheet, it'll make it much easier for them to put that in. You could also have them add the author if you wanted to, so by Christiane Jones. And depending on the grade level, you'll have to make that judgment call on how much information you want them to type for this part of it. And then I would go to, in the beginning, Lacey Walker. And you could have this as a prompt, or you could just have them type beginning and then tell their version of the beginning. Lacey Walker wouldn't stop talking. And again, depending on the age level, you'll be able to ask them for more information or call it good. In the middle, Lacey Walker lost her voice. And then have them finish in the end. Lacey Walker got her voice back. She figured out she likes to listen. All right, and I would encourage them to put their name, of course. All right, so that if you have a bunch of QR codes, you'll be able to scan them and know their name. You could have them put their name at the top if you preferred that. And you'll notice as I'm typing how this was changing too, because it's really taking my information and making it into a QR code. All right, so we typically go to the computer lab if I have everyone making a QR code at the same time, because it makes it simple to print. But you can do those also on an iPad and do printing that way. Just depends on your preference. I download here. This is a little thing that comes up. You just can skip it. Your QR code is over here. You can open it there. And there it is. And so this is the QR code that you can print and that they can cut out. And again, remember to remind them not to cut out any of the black code. They want to cut out as far from the code as possible. And then I would have them add this code now to their Lacey Walker Craftivity, and encourage them also to scan each other's and read, so it's a good reading and writing activity. Also a really neat thing for them to showcase how to use QR codes with their parents, or to have hanging in the hallway, and you could invite another class down to see those so that they could scan and read it also.